Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Deathwave, and I never realized how S tier it actually is. I'm at nearly 30 billion because of its time 5 upgrade, and when it's times by 16, I'm over 450 billion if I had all my recovery packages, but I've been getting hit pretty consistently lately, and I'm down now to just my base health and recovery rates. But I did cross 4K, and hopefully I don't die immediately. I can get through a little bit here. But this is tier 3, and my best tier 2 wave is like 3300. Because this is going to be over pretty soon. I don't think I'm getting the tier 3 relic because it's going up by 100 million damage per wave. They're starting to get to that point where they're overwhelming me. But I'm definitely setting a new record, and I'm going to get the Yin Yang skin to be able to use, which will be nice. And it's just amazing how much damage you can do. Also, Chain Lightning is up to over 1 trillion damage this run, which is very nice when you get your upgrades up to 90% very early in the run. It allows for over 3,100 and over nearly 3,800 upgrades. I believe this one is at 1,506 or something. And then this one, I believe I'm at, I think it's like 930. We'll see. We'll see when I end up dying here in a little while. Exactly where the base is and how much the upgrades are. With attack, because it can only go into this, it ends up upgrading it more. Whereas you're splitting between the 3 different upgrades forever on defense. Also, we can look at the upgrades I have gotten. And you can see how early I got all of the upgrade chance, and then I unlocked Death Wave. And the enemy's damage minus 50, but your tower damage has also really helped, because otherwise they would be at 47 billion damage. And so that has really helped to this run, as well as the 5x health available. If I get one of the trade-offs as my next perk, and I survive to get my next perk, hopefully I can get one that gives me a bunch of health. Nope. Ended up dying right there. Well, let's look at the stats. Real time was 7 hours and 12 minutes. Overall game time was a day and 9 hours. That's why I've been talking so much in chat. Death ray damage is 200 sextillion. Orb damage was 800 sextillion. Thorn damage was basically 200 sextillion. Black hole damage was 2 sextillion. It gives you a kind of a... I did 1.23 septillion damage altogether, and most of that was from Thorn and Orbs. I mean, nearly a whole... Yeah, actually an entire septillion of that damage. So only 23% of my damage came from other sources than Thorn and Orbs. And this is the rest of everything, just in case. Alright, let's go home. Collect the milestones. Alright, and now we can go over here. So 442, and on tier 2 it's 3328, and then 5309. So there's definitely a significant disparity between how good Deathwave is. Also, I am at exactly 1500 on that, and I'm only at 460 on this. Let's put more into that. Bring me up to 475, which is nice. And that'll be that. But yeah, that was a crazy run. Whenever possible, when it comes to ultimate weapons, the next one for me is unlock. These are my upgrade levels, and I'm at 82 stone right now. I'm gonna save up for a couple of weeks and try to get another new ultimate weapon, and hopefully Deathwave is the option available for that. But yeah, I've got 24.5 chance, quantity 4, and damage times 420 on Chain Lightning, and that got over 1 trillion damage that wave. And I've put in a bunch of upgrades, so 61 stone is, or whatever these are called, I don't know what they are called, the triangles. Let's see what their actual name is. Oh, they are called stones. Yeah, so the stones, hopefully I can upgrade all of them. And then this is the rest of my stuff. And these are the cards that I use in order to do that run. And so that's where I'm at. One other thing before I go. With the speed up, you can select the queue and have it automatically use 1 hour times 1.5 over and over again. And according to the website, they said that's the most efficient use of the speed up triangles. Also, lab queue, if you just press these, they will automatically refresh. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. They will automatically refresh with the same one. So I've got them on lab speed, lab coin, defense percentage, and health percent boost, just to auto level all of those and to use the whatever those are called. What are those called? Elite cells as efficiently as possible. Because now I'm producing them more now I'm producing them faster than I'm using them, mainly because the guild is awesome. It's still Friday, and nobody has 35 contributed yet, and yet we've already got to 790, and I'm one of the people that's on 30. And basically everybody else is on 20 or 25, few 15s. It's a really good guild, and I think we have room for one more. No, we're back full, 30-30. All right, well, thank you for your time.